What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to update your navigation maps. So you want to start by hitting the info button, heading over, going to system information, and hitting map update. We're going to attempt to do this by Wi-Fi. It failed before, so we're going to go ahead and do it by USB. So I have a USB here that I'm using with a micro SD card. At a minimum, it says you need 16 gigs, but what I found is I'm going to need a lot more than that. So this is a 32 gig. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to insert that right here, and then we're going to go to save map information to USB. Okay, the information has been saved. The next step is you're going to take this and you're going to go to your computer and pull up the Nissan map update tool. You plug this in, you go through the steps, and you should be able to update your maps and then reload them on here. So let's go to the next steps. All right, here you can see the Nissan map update tool. I did have to do this on the PC. I had some issues with doing this on a Mac. You can see here that my map updates have expired, but I can still download a map to restore the system. So we're going to go ahead and do that and then get ready to head back in the car with the USB drive. So after everything is completed, this is the message you'll see, and we'll proceed to take the USB drive to the car. Okay, so we're here for the last part of the install. So we go back to info, then we go to system information, map update by USB, install map from USB. And we're going to go ahead and plug in this guy right here. Okay, we're going to hit yes. And we'll just wait for that update to finish. All right, now we can see the map has been updated. The complete is done. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.